Hello and welcome to your Hump Day Wednesday forecast. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. I may sound a little bit under the weather because I am actually today. I apologize for that, but I would encourage you to go back to follow me on social media. Right. At CNY Jeff Matthews, on Instagram at CNY. And guess what? Let's make it a turkey trot. Tumblr too. Tumblr. That's right. I've foreseen that this is going to be a big deal too. And you know what? If you don't want to follow me on Tumblr, you can just come to my website. That's the home page, the bottom half of it. The top half has the forecast part. But the bottom half, in this white section, news and events, if you click on that, it'll give you an opportunity to follow my news blog, which gives you updates on what's going on Weathertainment, which would tell you, for instance, that the fall foliage report is going away. Because the foliage is going away, what will it be replaced with? Find out. Click on that, join Tumblr, and follow me on it, and you'll know. Meanwhile, Kids Corner. It's not just under construction anymore, it's now live with updated information, education, and demonstration for the young people out there. How does he do it? Don't know, but just try and stay up. Meanwhile, 55 is the average. We'll be above that again, just like yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Meanwhile, I've hardly touched a thing here on the temperature forecast for the next 7 days. I've only moved up the days of the week. 50 for Friday is a big cool down, but then warming up for Saturday and for Sunday as well. So what's going to lead the weather headlines? Well, hardly a change to the forecast. That's good for you because it means you don't have to memorize a whole lot more. It's pretty much the same as what you heard yesterday. Tell your friends. Meanwhile, more rain in the forecast. Well, from this morning winding down early this afternoon, there should be a break later this afternoon through this evening. So if you're headed out to dinner or some kind of activity, soccer for the kids, whatever, should be pretty much rain-free. Damp, but rain-free. And then the rain returns overnight into Thursday morning, winding down by early afternoon, and then again Saturday night. And meanwhile, if you're thinking ahead to Halloween, I got the DeLorean. It's fired up. I looked ahead, looking still mild. Meanwhile, speaking of mild, the southern branch of the jet stream has entered the picture, the foray, if you will, and I think you will. And that's going to lead into my what's replacing the fall foliage forecast. So you'll want to check in with that, because this plays a big part of what's going to replace that fall foliage forecast. So that's why I'm bringing it up today. You can also see it's enhancing moisture going on across the Four Corners region where they don't see much rain. For us, we have the jet stream just to our north, the northern branch, and it's tugging on this now stationary frontal boundary. So we're going to get some more rain moving along it for this morning and early afternoon. It should wind down for a time and then come back with this frontal boundary that's just now being thrust out of Canada, and that will sweep it all out to sea Thursday afternoon, but not before we pick up more rain Thursday morning. So here's a little closer-up view of the state of New York. You can see the showers moving along that stationary frontal boundary that has moved southwards yesterday, and now will reverse its direction, moving northwards today, only to be completely swept out to sea tomorrow by an approaching cold front. Here's a look at your almanac. I'm telling you, my friends, you got to spread the gospel of weathertainment because it just doesn't get any better than that. How does he do it? Is it the voodoo? 6245, 6243. It's unbelievable. It's almost like he has my intern did it again. You're not supposed to put that up there, intern. Oh, my goodness.
Marty! You gotta come back with me. Where? Back to the future. What are you doing, Doc? I need fuel. Go ahead, quick, get the car.
I'll have your forecast in just a moment.
We love our CNY weather team.
It's almost as if he's got a flying DeLorean gassed up and ready to go an hour before weathertainment and takes that quick trip into the future. Meanwhile, light rain is winding down this afternoon. Should be a rain-free period in here from late this afternoon through this evening. High today about 60, low tonight about 48. The rain returns, especially after midnight tonight. Light rain tomorrow morning winds down by early afternoon. We should see some rapid brightening of the skies then, well before sunset. And then overnight into Friday, there may be a period of flurries from the lake as it turns much colder. 50 for the high on Friday. Cold night Friday night. Beautiful for the weekend, save for some rain showers Saturday night. That's your Back to the Future forecast. Have a great Wednesday.